Yeah, so uh, I was talking about how to move code into services, and here is our cart service, and I have moved the code to add to cart here. So it looks fine for now, and let's add, since we have a new JavaScript file, let's make an entry here. Script source equal to cart service.js, and let's see if things work. uh, 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 now they don't. There is a error. The file is, it's not able to find the file. Book control is not found. Sorry. Let's try to figure out which file is not found. Yeah. So I um, missed a quote here. Let's see. Yeah. So if I add something to cart, it doesn't work, because I need to change my book controller as well, and write cart service dot add to cart book. And since I'm using the cart service, I need to mention cart service here as a dependency. I need to mention cart service here as a dependency. So on the runtime, when this control executes, so Angular will have one instance of all the services which it will inject. Let's see if things work. No, still not. Yeah, because I do not have the cart yet, which is showing here. So let me add a function sorry, let me add a function to get cart. This dot get cart equal to function return cart. It will just return the cart. Coming back to our book controller, so similar to books, I will fetch cart also. Scope dot cart equal to cart service dot get cart. Let's see the output. Yeah, I see total price 0 here. If I add this to cart, it still does not work. Let's see why. Cart service dot add to cart book. It takes the book, finds in cart. Yeah, here scope is still there, which I need to remove, since we are not dealing with $scope.cart anymore. We are dealing with the local private cart object. So this might be the problem. So if I add, yeah, it is working now. If I add to cart here, yeah, things work. So let me show you the controller again. So this controller is much cleaner now. So it take requests from the user. So for example, if I click a button here, uh, rate up, so it delegates the task, delegates the business logic to a service. For example, if I press add to cart, it just delegates this add to cart thing to the service. And it basically, controller deals only with browser interactions. So something coming from the browser, or for example, after adding book, if we want to empty the form. So these are things which needs to be in the controller. So things are related to the browser or user interaction. So I hope services is clear now. Let me again show you the services I have written. Book service. So all the services have some private data and public methods which manipulate that data. So there is a get book, it fetches you the list of books, add book, rate up, rate down, and similarly we have a card service, right? So this is the private method, private data is card, and there is get card, add to cart, right? And there is a private method here as well which is used internally by add to cart.